In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto using Coinmarketcap in 2025. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies, or simply looking to expand your portfolio with a new coin, this guide is here to simplify the process for you. Coinmarketcap is a popular platform used to track cryptocurrencies, and buying directly through it can be straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Coinmarketcap's website. Simply type in coinmarketcap.com into your browser's address bar, and it will take you to the home page. This site is a valuable resource for exploring various cryptocurrencies and their market statistics. Familiarize yourself with its layout, as this will help you navigate more efficiently in the future. Once you've accessed Coinmarketcap, you'll notice a search bar located at the top right corner of the page. This tool is essential for locating specific cryptocurrencies amongst the multitude listed on the platform. Now, click on the search bar and type in the name of the coin you're interested in buying. For this example, let's say you're looking to purchase Dogecoin. After typing Dogecoin into the search bar, you should see it appear in the drop-down menu. Select Dogecoin from the search results to proceed to its dedicated details page. This page provides comprehensive information about Dogecoin, such as its price chart, market cap, trading volume, and historical data. Take a moment to examine the information presented, as it can offer insights into the coin's performance and trends. On the Dogecoin page, look for the Buy Doge button. Clicking this button will lead you to a list of exchanges and purchasing options available for Dogecoin. Coinmarketcap provides several platforms to choose from, giving you the flexibility to decide which exchange suits your needs the best, based on factors like transaction fees and payment methods. For this guide, let's choose Kraken as our exchange. Find the Buy on Kraken option and give it a click. This will redirect you to Kraken's website, where you can proceed with purchasing Dogecoin. If you don't already have an account with Kraken, you'll need to create one. The account setup is straightforward, requiring personal details and security verification to ensure the safety of your transactions. Once your Kraken account is ready, you can fund it with fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies and proceed to buy Dogecoin. Follow Kraken's instructions for completing the purchase, and remember to transfer your new coins to a secure wallet after the transaction is complete. And there you have it, a simple method to buy crypto using Coinmarketcap. With these steps, you're all set to explore and invest in other cryptocurrencies with ease. Happy trading!